Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome page. In this page, here I would like to take a screenshot. First method, use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, what you have to do is again do the same. Press power button and volume down button together, and then click on enlarging icon in the screenshot, and image will be enlarging if the page is too long. Okay, so in this way you can easily take long screenshot. Then next method, as usual, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Then with palm swipe you can take a screenshot like this. See here, swipe from the right side to left side. Okay, right side to left side or left side to right side. See here. See here. Screenshot is taken. Okay. So for taking long screenshot here, again do the same and click on enlarging icon here, and image will be enlarging. This is the long screenshot that you have taken. See here, this is long screenshot. Okay, then we will see third method. For that, you go to turn on assistant menu. Go to the settings of your phone first, then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility, then go to interaction and texturity, and here turn on assistant menu. Give all permission. This is assistant menu icon, and go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, and now click on the assistant menu icon here and select a screenshot icon there. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again just select the screenshot and then click on enlarging icon here, and image will be enlarging. And if you want to stop, click over the image and image is stopped. This is the long screenshot. If you want to edit this screenshot, yes, you can do it. Click on edit button, and there are various editing options: crop, adjust, filter, markup, etc. I mark up like this and click on done. Click on save a copy, so it will be saved. To locate the screenshot folder, what you have to do is go to the Samsung here and my files, then internal storage, then ECIM and screenshots folder. Okay, all screenshots will be available here. In this way you can easily locate screenshots as well. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.